Yeah, welcome to EDUSystems School Management Software. In this tutorial, I'll be taking you through, as administrator, how to create your subjects, how to create your classes, and how to assign your subject to classes. And either as a student, as a teacher, and as administrator, how to also log in. So either way, you'll be given a unique user ID and password. So you can see you have to input your user ID here and your password here. So you can see I've entered my user ID and my password. So I'll click on login. So this is my dashboard as administrator. This is how the dashboard looks like as administrator. So if you're a student or you're a teacher, your own dashboard may look a little bit different, especially this part of it where what you'll be seeing here. The reason is because only administrator have access to all the features, but teachers and students, you are restricted to only the informations that you should have access to. So this is the dashboard. So I'll be taking you through set up subjects, set up classes, and assign subjects to classes. So I'll click on set up subjects. So this is, you can see we have a list of subjects here that have been set up, created already. So for you to do that, for you to set up or create a subject is very easy and simple. All you just need to do is come here, click here, and enter the name of the subject. For example, humanity. So that's an example. So once after entering the name of the subject, I'll click on setup. Now it has been added. You can see this is humanity. It has been added. So let me add another one. You can see we have commerce, we have computer, we have computer studies. Okay, that's a mistake. Okay, let us add another subject here. Let's call it coding. Coding is not existing yet. So it has been added. You can see this is coding now. So you can, in front of each subject, you can edit, you can delete. So I can decide to edit this coding, whatever. Then after editing, I'll click on update. I'll go back. I can decide to as well delete. So once I click on delete, successfully deleted, you can see coding is no longer there. It has been deleted. So that is for subjects. They will come here to set up classes. Now for set up classes, you have classes that you can set up your classes here, or you create your classes here. For example, and in front of each classes you have edit and delete as well. So let me delete this crutch. Crutch have been deleted. So in case I want to create crutch, I'll just come here, enter the name of the class, then I'll click on setup. So crutch have been created again. And in case I want to edit, I'll just come here, I can edit. Then after editing, I'll click on update. Then I can come back here. So that is it. Then the last but not the least is assign subjects. This is where you set up the subject, you set up the classes, then there's need for you to link the two together. So you assign subject to each classes, and in front of each classes you will see set up subject offered in that particular class. For example, let's check basic one. You can see these ones have been, this is how after successfully uh, putting each subject in their respective classes, this is how it's going to look like. You can see subjects offered in basic one. These are the subjects offered in basic one. But let's do, we created a new class the other time, which is crèche. So you can see no record, which means no subjects have been uh, assigned to what, to crèche class. So let us assign subject to crèche. So and if the subject probably is at the point of assigning the subject, that you now remember that the subject is not on this list, you can see this is the list of all the subjects that you need to assign to their respective classes. So all the subjects will show up here. So you now realize that okay, the subject is not showing up here. You can easily come here. Let me open this in new tab. You click here to what? To quickly create your subject. So that is it. So I'm going to assign some subjects to crèche class. So quantitative, you can see verbal, social habits, rhymes. So you can see this is the humanity that will set up as subjects the other time. All the subjects set up there will appear here. So that is it. Then let me add the last but not the least. Let me add uh, tracing pattern. So let's stop here. So this is where you add all the subjects, as many as possible for that particular class. So if you are setting up for the SS class, that's the senior secondary school classes. Don't forget you have three departments there. So if you are setting up for uh, commercial, you know that you have to put all the commercial subjects only there. If you are setting up for science, you put all the science subjects only there. If it is art, you put all the only the art subjects there, except in a case whereby you combine all the classes together. Probably they are together in a physical class, and you want them to be together. There's no cause for alarm. When you are generating their report card, only the subjects a student is offering that you enter the scores for, that's what will appear on their report card, and that is what the calculation will be based on. So it's not going to affect. So you can put all the subjects SS1 class is offering, both arts, commercial and science, all together here, and if you so like, you can separate them depending on how convenient or easy it is for you. So basically that this is how to what to go about logging in, set up subjects, set up classes, and assign subjects to classes. So all right, thank you. God bless.